kuudetta matsia pelaamassa. Viime pelissä tuli tappio valitettavasti, mutta ei anneta sen haitata. Se oli ihan suuri voitto. Annoin liian monta helppoa maalia ja niistä kyllä saa tehtyä maalia aika yksinkertaisesti. Eiköhän lähdetä hakemaan se yksi voitto, niin päästään Division 6. Nyt ei tekis yhtään mieli hävitä. 85 reitingi, no niin.
The floodlights beaming down from the night sky.
Joo,
Here's your comedy team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Well, they've got a bit of time in hand here, but today they can settle the promotion by winning the match.
Yeah, I mean, it would be disastrous for them if they didn't manage to clinch it now with more than one game remaining.
Corner kick given, and he's in there with a header, and he's put it
Ja
away.
Ramos.
It is a fantastic goal for the club because of the prize that it might well
Nyt
give
vaan
them, the prize of promotion here.
Well, the danger is that they get distracted by the celebration of the supporters. They can't afford to do that. Just got to keep the minds on the game and see the job through.
He'll be thanking the supplier here because he put it right on the money for him to meet it with his head.
Yeah, maybe a dying art in some respects, heading the ball, but this lad hasn't forgot it.
And here's the cross.
Easy for this kind of set-piece routine to go wrong.
Well read by the defender to intercept Mario Götze.
Mutta nyt hänen
Could be a goal. Well, the keeper got a touch to it to make the save. Possibilities now for an equaliser from this corner. And in comes the header.
Great header, great save.
Out for another corner. They'll be hoping to do better with their corners, really. That wasn't very good. Robert Lewandowski. And it will go into the middle now. Opportunity here for this team.
pois se.
Real concern for the
Silloin se ei
defender,
ala
just happy to get it away. Nervous, really. Towards Neymar. Good vision to be able to switch the play there. Taken on the full. Well, there was a chance to really
Ihan
put
muuten
his
hyvä.
foot through the ball.
Seuraavan kerran päin maaliin.
No, from that distance.
Build up, the ball just runs straight out over the touchline.
En tiedä mikä tuo. Se oli ilman.
Just picked it off that throw in, saw it coming, maybe knew the routine. Towards Lewandowski. Mario Götze. Didn't hesitate, did he, with that challenge? Gundogan. Terrific tackle. Bale. It's one back. A layoff there to his teammate in the head. Oh, he's going to shoot now.
Oi, sieltä pistettiin. 2-0.
It's important for the players to keep their concentration because they're beginning to think
Kato jo
that the job is
hetkeksi.
done.
Lähtee ihan
In a really good position to clinch this early promotion.
Yeah, there's a party atmosphere.
Oi. Ois pitänyt tipata, mutta kyllä sen oikein. 3-0.
The goal there was superbly taken.
Oh, the ball's fallen to him there. It's just like a video game, isn't it? The way it's landed at his feet.
Taitaa päästä.
And the score is 3-0.
Saa päästä, jos vetää tällaisen vedon Suomen päin. Silloin saa päästä, silloin minä voi päästä.
Xherdan Shaqiri.
Tollasta ei pitäisi kyllä tässä pelissä.
Looking for Royce. Real concern for the defender. And here's the shot. Oh, he's got a block in there.
Viime aikoina Divas
Gundogan.
hyvin blokittu. Ja Messi.
Very close off the top of the bar.
Tyhjä maali. Liian kova veto. Ylärima. Hei. Siinä oltais lyöty loppu.
Neymar. Well out to
Oi oi oi.
This is
Tuleekohan
certainly gonna
punainen?
be within their range now that the free kick
Mie
has been
sai.
given. This is
Mitä?
our set piece expert.
Oi 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 oi. Epäonnistu veto ihan täydellisesti.
Well, that
Kyllä se
is
nyt tolleen
delightfully
kimpoamallakin
taken.
voi
No,
mennä.
to get the
Vähän
ball up
nouskalla
and down
Messi
like he did was
vedessä.
spectacular.
And he saw it all the way. The goalkeeper didn't.
Hyvä kun Mokke lähti just vastakkaiseen suuntaan. Hyvä. Peli on
It's a
4-0.
wonderful advantage at this stage.
Noin. Helppo voitto. Peli päättyi 4-0 ja hän lähti. Peli oli 4-0 ja hän lähti. No, se kelpaa minulle, että ollaan nyt varmistettu paikka Divari 6 ja voidaan vielä titleistä pelata tässä seuraavalla kerralla. Tarvitaan enää 2 pistettä titleen, niin sitten on title. Mut eiköhän tämä ollut tässä ja jatketaan seuraavalla kerralla.